So here I am doing my second lab in my room with my puppies and my leg all wrapped up in ice. So here we go. This is lab 2, which is resonance, orbitals, and acids and bases. And then for the video, I needed an example calculation and then the summary of the purpose of this lab. So I guess the purpose is just being able to visualize how molecules are represented on paper. And I'm a pretty visual person, so it's nice to be able to learn this and get an idea for what molecules are actually doing when their charge changes, where the electrons are going, how the bonds are formed, and what they look like. And that will be important for understanding the rest of organic chemistry. So that's kind of the purpose of this lab, just to better understand it. And then the calculations that we did included acids and bases. I don't know why this is fuzzy, so sorry, but we had pH, basically. We were given the pH for all of our molecules, and then we were also given the pKa. And you can't even see this on top, but basically to find the H from pH, you just do 10 to the negative pH. So that's how I found all of those, that whole column. To find our OH, which would be more of our base, you have 1 times 10 to the negative 14th, and then you divide it by the H that we just found. So that's how we then get this column. And then we were given the pKa. To find the pKb, the pKa is just pK of your acid, and then this would be of your base. The pKb would be of your base. And pK is pretty close to your pH. Just so you know. And anyway, so to find the pKb, I just did the difference between 14. So this plus this needed to equal the number 14. So anyway, that's how I did that. And then to find Ka and Kb, it was like our H over here, our pH and our H, our pKa and our pKb, to find our Ka and Kb, and all we did was take 10 to the negative pKa to find all of our Kas, and then 10 to the negative pKb to find our Kb. And I guess I'm going to stop the video there. I'm super fuzzy, so sorry you can't read many of those numbers, but that's that lab.